The humble stovetop is a seriously underrated piece of coffee making kit. Also known as a Moka pot or a percolator, it's one of the best sellers on our website. I personally own 3, and I think it's a great way to make accessible, delicious coffee at home. So we're starting with the water. You want to use filtered water for the best flavor, and we recommend using preheated. And fill it up to just below the safety valve. Please don't go over that for safety reasons, or the pressure can build up and it can be quite dangerous. One of the things that's going to impact the flavor of your coffee the most is the grind size. You want it slightly coarser than an espresso grind, but not so coarse that the flavor tastes wash out. And if you have a grinder at home, it's worth playing around with this a little bit. So we're going to put it into the chamber, spoon it in to the top. Controversially, this is the only brewing method that I'm not going to recommend you weigh it out for. Volume will be a good indicator. Again, this is the exception to the rule here. So just spoon it in, level it off, but don't pack it down, and then pop it into the chamber. Now that there's hot water in it, the base of it's going to be really hot, so use a cloth to secure it as you screw the top in. And put the stove on to a medium to low heat. You don't want to walk away at this point. You want to stay nearby and keep an ear out for when it starts bubbling. That's kind of the point where you want to take it off. Once the coffee is ready, take it off the stove and pour it into your cup straight away to stop it from becoming bitter. And that is all there is to it. A balanced, delicious cup of coffee with the Moka pot. Super easy and accessible, and a really lovely way to start your morning. I hope you found this useful, and hit subscribe if you did.